If you have deleted a contact from your Samsung phone and wants to recover it, then in this video today we will see two ways by which you can do it. Now the first method is to go to settings here, then we will go to this option device care, go to storage, and then you have to go to recycle bin, go to contacts. Now this will show you all the contacts that you have deleted. The contacts will remain here for 30 days. Tap on edit, select those contacts that you want to restore, and then select on this restore icon, and the contacts will be restored back. Now the next method is, if you have synced the contact to a Google account, then from the Google account also you can restore the contact. Let's see this one in the computer. If you have synced the contact to a Google account, then what you do is you can open any web browser. You can do it in your phone or in your computer, and then you have to open this website contacts.google.com and then log in with that Google account. After that you have to go to trash, and here you will be able to see the contact that were deleted. So what you do, select the contact and then select this option recover. Now this contact will be restored to your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment in the box below if you were able to restore the contact.